Hey, welcome to another episode of DIYCarModz. I'm Jeff, and today I'm going to be installing this LED trunk light assembly on my Honda Accord. This is straight plug and play. As you can see right now, I have the stock incandescent bulb in there, and it really doesn't light up the trunk at all. I mean, it does, but the light is very, very soft. And so I'm going to go ahead and install this. All right, so to remove the trunk light assembly, all I need is a pry tool or a flat screwdriver, and I'm just going to apply pressure down here, and this will come out. This was the little ledge that I pushed up, and so you don't want to put too much pressure because this can break, and so just slight pressure until this can drop down. And once that's out, there is a little tab in the back right here for the connector, so you just need to disengage this to remove this from the harness. Now take your new one. It only goes in one way, so you can't mess this up, and plug it back into the connector. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and insert this side end first, slide that it's in, and then just push on this side and it will lock it in place. Huge difference. It lights up the whole trunk very, very bright. Alright, so that was a quick product review and installation of this plug and play trunk light assembly. I highly recommend this if you want to upgrade your trunk light assembly to an LED. This is very bright and very easy to install, and also you don't have to worry about burning out your micro switch when you're swapping out this stock incandescent bulb to an LED. Now, if you were not to purchase this and you do want to still go ahead and change this out with the regular LED, make sure you disconnect the harness back here before you make any adjustments, because if you accidentally short something out, guess what? You're gonna burn out the micro switch on your trunk light assembly right here on your latch, and you have to replace this entire assembly, which costs about 60 bucks. And so instead of doing that, just go ahead and purchase this. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.